What if the real reason stairs feel tougher, the couch feels lower, and hills seem steeper isn't your age, but weak glutes quietly stealing your power? If you're over 50, this is a game changer. Stronger glutes aren't about looking younger, they're about moving better, feeling stronger, and staying independent. Your glutes are the largest, most powerful muscles in your body. They drive your stride, they protect your knees, they support your lower back. They keep your pelvis stable so your balance stays sharp. When they weaken, the body compensates. The lower back tightens, the knees take extra stress. Posture starts to slump, energy dips. But when your glutes are strong, everything moves smoother. You feel steadier, more capable, more confident. So let's get straight to the 5 essential moves that rebuild that strength. First, the squat. This is your foundation. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Sit your hips back like you're lowering into a chair. Keep your chest lifted. Lower with control, then press through your heels and stand tall. That tension in your hips at the bottom, that's the signal your muscles need to grow stronger. Squats train real-life strength. Every time you stand up from a chair, get out of a car, or lift something from the ground, you're using this pattern. Do it slowly. Don't rush. Control the descent. Drive up strong. If you're new, start with body weight. If that feels easy, hold a light dumbbell close to your chest. This is how you rebuild foundational power. Second, the glute bridge. Lie on your back, feet flat, knees bent. Press through your heels and lift your hips toward the ceiling. At the top, squeeze your glutes and hold for 2 seconds. Then lower slowly. This move wakes up muscles that sitting has put on mute. Many people over 50 deal with lazy glutes, simply from years of sitting. The bridge restores that mind muscle connection. It teaches your brain to fire those muscles again. Early strength gains often come from this improved activation. You may not see change immediately in the mirror, but you'll feel it in how stable and solid you move. Third, the step up. Find a sturdy step or platform. Place one foot on it. Press through that heel and lift your body up. Step down slowly and repeat, then switch sides. This is huge for balance and stability. Life doesn't happen on 2 legs evenly. You climb stairs 1 step at a time. You shift weight constantly when you walk. Step-ups train one leg independently, correcting side to side. Weakness. When your hips are strong and balanced, your knees are happier and your walking becomes more efficient. No bouncing, no rushing. Controlled up, controlled down. Fourth, the hip hinge. This move protects your back and strengthens your entire backside. Stand tall, push your hips back while keeping your spine neutral. You'll feel a stretch in your hamstrings. Then drive your hips forward to stand up. This is the movement pattern you use when picking up groceries, laundry baskets, or anything from the floor. When done correctly, the glutes handle the load instead of your lower back. Start with body weight or light. Dumbbells, focus on form first. Strength follows control. This move builds resilience where it matters most. Fifth, lateral band walks. Place a resistance band around your thighs. Bend your knees slightly. Take small controlled steps to the side while keeping tension on the band. Stay low. Keep your core engaged. This targets the outer hips, the stabilizers that keep your pelvis level when you walk. When these muscles are weak, your hips can drop slightly with each step, putting extra strain on your knees. Strengthening them improves balance and reduces joint stress. You'll feel that burn on the outside of your hips. That's your stabilizers turning back on. So here's the big picture. Squats build raw strength. Bridges restore activation. Step-ups improve balance and correct imbalances. Hip hinges protect your back and power your lifts. Lateral band walks stabilize your hips. Together, these 5 movements rebuild your lower body engine from every angle. Now let's talk reality. After 50, muscle naturally declines if it's not challenged. But the moment you introduce resistance, your body adapts. The nervous system becomes more efficient. Muscle fibers get stronger, tendons become more resilient. Balance improves. You're not too old, you're simply undertrained. And here's what's powerful. You don't need extreme workouts. Start with 2 sessions per week. Or 3 sets of 8 to 12 controlled reps per exercise. Rest between sets. Focus on quality. When it feels easier, that's progressive overload. Steady, smart progress. Stronger glutes don't just help you in the gym, they help you in life. They support your metabolism because large muscles use more energy. They support bone health through weight-bearing movement. They reduce stress on your joints by absorbing force properly. This isn't about vanity, it's about capability. Let me ask you something. How do you want to feel 5 years from now? Strong getting out of a chair? Confident climbing stairs? Steady walking outside? That starts now. And if this resonates with you, drop a comment below and tell me which of these 5 exercises you're going to start with. I'd love to hear it. And if you're committed to staying strong and independent after 50, hit that subscribe button and stay with me. We're building strength the smart way. Keep a simple log. Track your reps. Notice how stairs feel in a few weeks. Notice how standing up feels easier. Those small improvements are real. That's your body responding. Your muscles still grow when challenged. Your tendons still strengthen with load. Your nervous system still adapts with repetition. Those biological rules don't expire at 50. So stand tall. Sit back into that squat with control. Drive through your heels in that bridge. Step up with confidence. Hinge with purpose. Move sideways under tension. Wake your hips up.